Hello guys, review smartphone ZTE Blade L220. This cheap device cost almost $70. Okay, in complementation we have only adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Documentary, protected film. Okay, and now talk about device. We have single camera on the back side. Under back cover we have battery. One moment. Okay, under back cover we have battery, 2 slots for SIM cards and slot for micro SD card. Battery 3000 mAh. Okay. Speaker on the back side, downside micro USB port, on this side power key and power button and volume buttons. Turn on device, 6.3-inch display. Android. Okay. AnTuTu benchmark doesn't work on this device. We don't have results AnTuTu benchmark. We have 1 GB RAM memory, CPU Spreadtrum SC7731, this quad-core processor. Close this. Okay, close. AnTuTu benchmark device works bad, with lags, with glitches. GTA San Andreas run.
After 5 years on the East Coast, it was time to go home.
Okay, game GTA San Andreas works, but works only low or medium level. Okay. Close this. Camera, we have 5 megapixels main camera, and we have only photo mode and video mode. Okay. But works device. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.